All right. Camille's next. It's the last portfolio, and then we get on to the Discord critiques. So, Junior Hard Surface Artist at CD Projekt Red. Okay. So, let's just power right on in. This is already super impressive. This is a year ago, but just the attention to detail with things like this dent here, that immediately your brain goes, oh man, that's the detail I'm looking for. Dude, look at these little weld. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm dropping that in chat. Dude, that's sick. And like the little, oh man, there's like, yeah, this is cool. I can't even. Denting is great. Oh, there's even denting on the, oh my God, on the grill. So that's really cool. I really like that. The scratching right here, I think, is the only thing that is getting my, is itching me a little bit. Just because like it feels repetitive. Like it was painted on instead of like an actual like a scratch that occurred in like one or two hits. Maybe it makes sense, and I just don't understand how those scratches occur. But dude, oh man, incredible attention to detail. All right, man, you set us up now. Now we're like, okay, what are we in for now? So this is dope. I like this, man. The colors. I like their presentation too with the this specific color even. I'm loving this. Maybe the wood pieces could be a little bit longer just for the aesthetics, but I'm okay with what happened here. I say what happened here like it was some type of chaotic mishap. This is dope. I like it. Oh man, those details. I really want the play and the record button pressed down at the same time. If you understand, Nathan, buddy, what's up, man? If you understand, then you understand. You gotta get that play and record button down at the same time. It's important. Yeah, this is sick. Oh, look at that. So these dials down here. Twitching, how you doing? These dials look a little expensive. Oh my gosh, there's even detail on the, wait, what? Hang on. Oh man, that's cool. I kind of wish there was a zoom in on that back area where you can tell that it got really dusty on the back, but they were like, searching around in the back trying to get their cables plugged in. So you can tell like fingers were moving the dust around just around that area. Oh man, it's pretty cool though. Are there lights, but it's not plugged in? Oh, particle man. So logical. You imagine how weird this would look, though, if that cable went off and then was like, does it go into the fog? Or does it, like, is this fog? We don't know. I mean, it can't be fog. Look, it's right here. Or is there a fan blowing air right here in the middle, right above it, and it's just clearing it all? This looks dope, though. I really like this. The wear and aging on the case for this VHS, I think you may have looked at some reference, because I don't think you can just come up with that. You're like, oh, all right, you've seen it, you have seen it. This is super cool. Oh man, you did the challenge. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is dope. So this is just in Substance. Oh, yeah. I remember this. Come on. Come on, Resolutions. Oh, I like the attention to the light. Ooh, and the twisting of the camera. That's not comforting at all. Very cool. I think if I had to say one thing, it's maybe the noise on the surface of the material is a little on the strong side. Because a lot of the noise on this type of surface is going to be just through the roughness, right? It's going to be really, really diffused. Just because, like, it's super dusty. In general, though, pretty dope. Pretty dope. Oh, Dying Light. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at those axes. Bad pizza. Oh, I like it. Oh, these are cool. Man, Dying Light, you're interesting. Oh my god, that's amazing. Wow. Man, I bet these get real bloody too. Super cool. Man, did you draw these as well? That's so interesting. Meat grinder. Ah, these are cool. Big fan. Nice work. All right, so Decagon. Decagon is a really interesting thing. I'm like just like, oh man, it's genius. It's genius. I don't know what else to say about it. It's really cool. The bevels on here I think are just right, which is crazy because you look at it and you're like, wait, is it? Oh yeah, it is. It is beveled, and it looks exactly how you remember it. I think if I was to say one thing, it'd be like getting the scrape damage where these land on it, and like, cause like people just drop them, right? They just, once it's on there, they just let it go and it drops, and you're gonna get some scrape marks around the edges here. Where it meets here, you're gonna get a lot of scraping there. Just damaging it up a little bit is probably gonna be quite accurate. And it's really interesting, the space between here and like how much room you have for the weights. It's strange how often they actually are just enough so that a weight can fit like right in between them. I guess it has to do with the nature that it has to fit right here, right? So maybe that doesn't. Maybe I'm just dumb. Oh yeah, this is cool though. I would love to see some tape on this. I don't know if that's just like, if that's just me. I mean, I think they know what they want when they ask for these sets, right? Oh, that looks dope. Yeah, that's nice. Some chalk, yeah, some chalk would be good. Maybe some chalky handprints on these. You get the more modern weights too, where the outside edges of them are colored. Oh man, dude, look at I love this type of roughness approach. It's like roughness is essentially, I would say 80 to 90% of the material, just because it tells you everything. Like it could be black and white in the albedo and you would still understand what's happening on the surface. You know what I mean? Oh, this is cool. Dude, I remember jumping on these and listening to the water, and these things were so hot if they were outside. And just looking at it makes me remember like, oh, dude, good times. Dang. Dang, what's the roughness on this? Look at this. Shout out to Joe in here. Oh, Joe. Good guy. Good guy, Joe. Wow, that is really low. That is crazy. It's all about them bevels, man. Just in the right spots. Use 4K maps for that roughness? Just for the roughness? Dang. I mean, roughness can be pretty high res if everything else is lower, right? Yeah, that's cool. Oh, yeah. Dang, the material definition on this is really good. So all the stuff happening up here, super interesting. Like, I don't even know what's happening, but it feels right. I don't know if you know what I mean. You never thought that you could have varying size maps? Dude, if your albedo is really basic in its color, right, you can actually scale that down quite a bit. Have your normal and your roughness be pretty high, and everything else can get relatively low, depending on how you're packing stuff and all that jazz. Oh, yeah. Dude, I love this presentation. I almost wish it was like right side up. I want this on my wall. Yeah. Yeah, I want that on my wall. That'd be pretty cool. Dope. Oh. I'm sorry, one more thing. No. I'm taking too much time. Sorry. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so the attention to detail is pretty ace. I really like how different each surface feels. Like it actually feels like different material, like not only in the way that the roughness is portrayed, but like the detail normals. I think those are detail normals I'm seeing. This looks really high res. What is going on here? Yeah, that looks good. Man, seeing a shell in there that's like red. There it is. Yes. I think a red shell needs to be inside of that, tilting out. Oh, man. Yeah, good stuff. Nice job. All right, that's it. I mean, you scaled up your quality quite well. Like it was like whoop. I mean, even in the beginning, you were hitting hard. I look forward to seeing your work drop once CD Projekt Red drops some of that content. All right. We've got 35 minutes. We're going to get to the Discord critiques. I will be right back. Nice job, Kamil. Dopeness.